Welcome back to Nurse Housekeeping and Travel Tips channel. Actually, I'm going to go on vacation in a couple hours and I didn't start packing yet. And this time, I'm going to show you how I pack and you will see my technique. As I clean stayover rooms as housekeeper, I have opportunity to see their suitcase and I feel they're doing long way. It's more wrinkle and take time. So I'm gonna show you my technique. This is what I do. Go to your closet, get your clothes, take the hanger and like this. That's it. But be careful and don't push. Just nicely fold half. It doesn't have to be half like this. Fine. This time I fold half because I bring only long shirts. If your shirts are not long, you don't have to fold at all like this. Keep doing it. Like other side is fine. Like this. Like this. I will go somewhere a little bit cold weather, so I will long sleeve shirt. And if it's really long, longer than suitcase for holding half, then you can fold like this. For the pants, it's same. Oh, I need scarf. I need scarf. I don't know which one I should use. Here is nice. Blue is fine. That's it. This way, no wrinkle. Almost no wrinkle. You don't have to take time for folding, and it's easy. After you get hotter, you can just put on hanger. I don't use this time, but this is smaller carry case. I will show you a little bit example. Get out of here. It's the same thing. For example, just like this. Easy, huh? Hello everyone. I just arrived at Hilton Riyadh Hotel and Residences in Saudi Arabia. Look at this view. Now I'm going to show you how I unpack my suitcase. I showed you how I packed, and now I'm at the hotel and it's exactly the same how I packed, and the closet is here. I just hung them. I just put all the hangers. Let's go. You know, this is Saudi Arabia, so just in case I bought papaya, but I don't know if I'm gonna use it or not. Can you see? No wrinkle. Actually, this will be my pajama t-shirt, so I don't hang. You see? Very cool. I told you no wrinkle, right? Or less wrinkle. Because I don't fold too much and I don't push so much, so it doesn't have wrinkle. How is that? Come on everyone, here's another packing technique, just additional. And now I'm going to start packing and I will go to another area. And during your travel, you may have clean clothes after laundry, doing laundry, or you didn't wear anything yet. It's here, and there's some dirty clothes that you are not sure that you don't wear anymore, or you may be able to wear again, but still you don't want to mix with dirty clothes. So I will show you what to do. This one garbage bag, you can use for dirty clothes in it, but yeah, just simply cover on the clean clothes. Same as before. Or if you don't like dirty clothes on top, you can just cover with another garbage bag. Next time, I'm gonna show my carry-on bags and belongings. Then I will show you more about Saudi Arabia and housekeeping. Thank you for watching,
and don't forget subscribing.